I'm fantastic. I got a haircut. Looking like a fresh tomato. You guys, I'm so excited because today I am going to make a Domino's casserole. I love making casseroles. Casseroles are like comforting and sometimes disgusting, but most of the time delicious. This casserole is going to include so many Domino's items, and my end goal is to make it taste delicious. Even with all this going on, I want it to taste good and cohesive. That was a big word for me. And it's actually gonna be pretty easy. I think that anyone can make this. Not that you'll want to, who knows, maybe you will. But yeah, I think it's gonna snatch my weave. Oh, just kidding, I already snatched my weave because I got a haircut. But before we start, y'all, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become a juicy, ripe, pizza saucy tomato. And hit that notification bell so that you can get all my notifications sent directly to your phone every time I post a new video, a delicious video, a scrumptious video. Okay, let's start. Okay, you guys, so I got so many things from Domino's to make this casserole with. Oh my goodness, there's more. Oh my God. This is gonna be a big casserole. So before we start putting it all together, I'm gonna show y'all everything I got. Okay, so I got some of these little, I think they're called like garlic rolls or something. They're like these little things. This is gonna be the topping of my casserole. I have a whole plan. I have every layer planned because I am strategic. I actually graduated from my house because I was homeschooled. And I got more of those because I need a lot of them. Because like I said, this casserole is gonna be huge. Y'all, these are the shape of my testicles, I love it. And then I also got this boneless like chicken. It's almost like chicken nuggets or like boneless chicken wing type of things. And I'm gonna prepare these and these are gonna be in the casserole as well. They're gonna be so good. Now, I also got 2 kinds of pasta. I love Domino's packaging because everything looks like a pizza box, but then you open it and it's like, it's not pizza, it's a surprise, it's pasta. Life is a journey, y'all. A journey full of surprises. So I got, which one is this? Okay, this is some kind of like a sausage, red sauce pasta. I forget the name, something marinara. Then I also got a chicken Alfredo one. Let's see this one. I love chicken Alfredo. I could eat it every day. I think it's like the best pasta ever. So this is the Alfredo. Oh! And so these are both gonna be layers in the casserole as well. Let me set these aside. And I got 2 thin crust pizzas, you guys. I got thin crust because these pizzas are almost gonna be like the lasagna noodles in my casserole. They're gonna be like the separators, like the layers, you feel me? So I got this one. This one is sausage and pepperoni. And look how thin that is, you guys. That's like really thin. Usually I never get thin crust pizza because it doesn't fill me up. But they're layers in this casserole, so I think it's good if they're thin and crispy. I think it's gonna be great. And then I also got one that is ground beef and onions. Ground beef and onions go so well together. It's almost like a cheeseburger vibe, you know what I mean? So got that, got my meat one. Let me set these aside. And the other ingredients for this casserole, mozzarella cheese, pasta sauce, and pepperonis. These are gonna be kind of like my glue that holds everything together. Are you ready to make the iconic Domino's casserole? Yes. Okay, let's start. So I have my casserole pan here. It's apparently non-stick, but I've used it so many times that I don't even expect it to be non-stick anymore. You've been through so much. And so I'm gonna start this casserole off by spraying it with some Pamela. Pamela is the foundation to any good recipe. Not sponsored. Okay, so I'm gonna start this off by adding a little bit of my pasta sauce. I know that a lot of people use pizza sauce, but I think pizza sauce and pasta sauce are like the same thing. Am I right? It tastes the same to me. So I'm just gonna spread this around evenly until we have a nice little layer of pasta sauce on the bottom. Okay, so my pasta sauce is evenly spread. There's a bunch of holes in it, but whatever. It's gonna taste the same. It's gonna be fine. So for my first layer, I'm gonna put a layer of pizza. This is pretty much like the base of the casserole. So what I'm gonna do, okay, like this pizza's cut into little squares because it's like the thin one. So that's actually very handy. I can put the little squares wherever I need them. So I'm just gonna start lining up the squares just all the way across the whole casserole pan, just like that. Oh, how perfect it fits.
Fat cheeks in your face, in your mouth. Not gonna shake my tits, I'm thinking something more downstairs. No, this ain't about my...
Perfect! Look at that pizza layer. This is going exactly as I planned. Okay, snatched, slayed. So now I'm gonna take some of my mozzarella cheese and I'm going to layer it on the pizza. Because the cheese is honestly the glue that's just gonna hold everything together.
Pussy, this about my buns. You gonna feel it miles away, but bitch, don't try to run.
So now I'm gonna take my boneless chicken bites. Look how cute they are, you guys. I love them. I don't know if I've ever had them from Domino's, but they honestly look super crispy. Let's break one open. Come on. It doesn't really open. Oh, it's because it's like real chicken. I was expecting like a chicken nugget inside. Slay though. Love that real chicken. Okay, so I'm basically just going to cut up the chicken into small little pieces so that they're more easily incorporated into the casserole. So I'm literally just going to just like cut off little chunks, just like this. And it's not that easy to cut, but it's like whatever. I can kind of like pull it apart as I cut it too. Oh my god, it just smells so good. It smells like a chicken sandwich.
There's a big fat crack, but it ain't in the earth. My anus hole is gonna open up and swallow your turd.
What is this? It's like a big chunk of burnt cheese. I did not order burnt cheese.
Spark it, pop it, anus, drop it, ass, cheek, earthquake. Flip it, asshole, clap it, ass, cheek, earthquake.
My chicken is all chopped up into much smaller pieces that will fit much better into the casserole. So now I'm just gonna sprinkle the chicken all on top and make kind of like a chicken layer. I love making casseroles. It's just so much fun because it's like you can put anything in it and it will melt together and most likely taste good. Unless if you're into tuna casseroles, you can leave. Besides my mom, I think that she would like that, but I love her so she can stay. Oh my, there's a little piece of foil. Let me get that out. That's not good. Stay out. Now y'all know chicken nuggets need some kind of sauce on them. And I ordered ranch with my nuggets. So I'm gonna pour the ranch all over these. And ranch with like Italian food, to me at least, goes so well together. So I'm literally just gonna like drizzle. But it's kind of thick, so I don't know if it can drizzle. It's okay, it's like blobs of ranch. I'm cool with that, honestly.
Butthole, sniff it, ass, cheek, earthquake. Sweat it, pat it, ass.
Okay, delicious. Oh my goodness. So now we're gonna add more cheese. Yes, even more, because I want the chickens just like coated in a bed of cheese, a comfy bed with a really nice comforter and really soft cheesy pillows. And that ranch with the cheese, it's gonna melt into this amazingness. Oh my goodness. I'm ready. Now, some of y'all know I am obsessed with pepperonis. So obsessed that one day I had 60 pepperonis, literally 60, and it was just not good for me. But I did do that one day. Ooh, why do these pepperonis smell like a fart? But anyways, I'm going to make a layer of pepperoni. It doesn't have to be perfect, just kind of like toss them around. This is gonna be hidden underneath more layers.
Get it, ass, cheek, earthquake. Ass, cheek, earthquake. Ass, cheek, earthquake.
I just wanna sit my ass on a pepperoni and just sit there forever with the pepperoni in my asshole. What am I saying? That came from my heart. Okay, y'all, my pepperoni layer is done. It looks great. Now it's time for the pasta layer. I was planning on doing 2 layers of pasta, but then I realized I don't think I have enough pasta to like make a whole layer of each. So I think I'm gonna do half and half and do half this pasta on this side, half on this side. Make it almost like a variety. Like you have to go for seconds to taste it all. My kind of party. So I'm just going to plop my pasta. Ooh, that looks so good. It smells good too.
Twerk it in my face. Ass, cheek, earthquake. Ass, cheek, earthquake. Twerk it in my face. You might.
Perfect. So there's our pasta. I'm of course now going to add some more cheese. Oh my god, this is gonna get so nice. And now I'm gonna take my other pizza and make another perfect pizza layer. So this is the beef and onion one. I'm literally just gonna start by just plopping that there. Perfect.
But girlfriend, anyone can twerk as long as they believe it. Your asshole might be so small, it might be gaping. I
don't know why ground beef is such an underrated pizza topping. I feel like no one gets it, yet it's literally so delicious. They're probably all just jealous of it. Okay, perfect. So we have our last pizza layer there. And now what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of pizza sauce, just all over. This is just gonna moisten everything up. So let me spread that out.
But bitch, your asshole don't matter. Just make them butt cheeks look better. Stick your ass out till it breaks. Shake it all night. Gotta make them cheeks look like they just got in a.
Now, for the topping, this part's gonna be fun. I have my little pizza garlic balls things, and I'm literally just going to place them all along the top until the whole surface is filled with the balls. And y'all, these are like really buttery. Like, look at all this butter. Do you guys see that? Down there, right there? Look at that. It's laid.
Fight. Spark it, pop it, anus, drop it, ass, cheek, earthquake. Flip it, asshole, clip it, ass, cheek, earthquake. Hit it.
Okay, so I'm shook about myself because I ordered exactly enough for the topping, and I literally was just guessing it, but there's literally exactly enough. There's not one more. It's perfect. And so now this looks amazing, right? The last thing I'm gonna add to this is tons of mozzarella cheese all over and pepperonis. Now this is gonna give it like a pizza look.
Butthole, sniff it, ass, cheek, earthquake. Wet it, pet it, ass can get it, ass, cheek, earthquake. Ass, cheek, earthquake. Ass, cheek, earthquake.
Okay, you guys, this is literally perfect. It's iconic. It's everything I imagined and more. I'm gonna put this into the oven for like, I have no clue. I'm just gonna go with it until everything looks melted and cooked. And then we'll dig in. Oh my goodness. It's so heavy. Look at my Domino's casserole. How incredible does this look? Made almost completely from Domino's products. Not sponsored. Y'all, the top has gotten all crusty and like crispy. Oh my gosh, everything's melted. Look at all the cheese. It looks incredible. I'm gonna cut into it right now. Hold on. I'm just so quirky. I'm a nerd. Cutting into it. It's cutting kind of like a pizza. Oh my gosh, I think it might all stay together. Let's see. Wait, pull out my slice. Oh, it's kind of hot still. Oh my god. Oh my god. It worked. It held together. And it didn't stick to the bottom. Wait, let me get out the rest of this. This is incredible. Oh my god! Look at this. It's like a Domino's lasagna. That's horrible lighting. Look at this. Oh my god, you guys, that is a clean cut. It really worked. Oh my goodness, this could be like a real recipe. I hope it tastes good. Wow, that is beautiful. That looks so legit. You guys, you saw how beautiful that whole casserole was. I'm just shook by how perfect it turned out and how it held together. That's a big accomplishment. So I'm gonna take literally every element of this casserole and taste it. It's gonna be a big bite. Okay, I think I got some of everything in this. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! So good! Oh my god, so you would like expect it to taste either overcooked or kind of dry because there's so much bready stuff in it. Because I added so much sauce and like the ranch and everything, it tastes incredible. It's moist. It literally tastes like the best pizza ever because it's like just, it's everything. It's so good. I'm literally shocked. I didn't know it would taste this good. I thought it would be good because it's pizza and stuff. I didn't know it would taste like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched the whole video, you're the truest tomato in all of the pizza casserole. And so I know who you are. Leave a comment that says, I never knew a casserole could be so perfect. Also, go watch all my other videos, y'all. I tasted all the Burger King burgers. They're all gonna be popping up around here. Click whichever one you want. Don't forget to subscribe to become a tomato. I'll see you on the next video. I love you so much. Ooh, boo, boo.